101.1 FM, the Spirit Indonesia, Smart FM. Okay, welcome back to here in studio, still with us in BPECNs. Hi guys,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm great.
You are very great here
Yeah.
today.
Yes, we are pretty good.
Okay, actually, this is not complete. Okay, come on. Have a seat, please.
Is it please?
Yes,
Oh
hi.
my
Good evening,
god.
guys. Good evening. Nice to meet you. Okay, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have special program with BPEC, between BPEC and Smart FM, of course. And yeah, we have a special topic to discuss every Tuesday. And our topic tonight is I still keep. No. I still keep. Okay. During pandemic COVID-19, every country in the world got a trouble. Every aspect got a trouble, an exception. So one of the sector that got trouble is tourism industry. You know, everyone want to visit, but they cannot do during a pandemic, COVID-19, especially in the climax of COVID-19. So in every country in worldwide has an innovative, special for their government, each other. They have innovative by technology. That's why in worldwide every country open for tourism by not visit. You can visit to the other place, but not your visit.
Yes, not your face.
But support by technology. Namely is virtual tourism. That's why our topic tonight is what is?
Virtual tourism.
Okay, giving applause first.
Yes.
Thank you, guys. Okay, before we discuss, we continue our discussion. I want to give you a chance to introduce what is actually BPC itself.
Ah,
Time is yours.
okay. Hello, smart listener. So I want to explain what actually BPEC is. So BPEC is Benteng Panyo English Club, the one of the oldest community English community in Makassar. And actually, we have one program in every uh, Sunday that's called Lovely Sunday Meeting, and there we can learn together. Even you are not the community of English, I mean the community of BPC, but you can learn about English there. So there are several items that we provide there. The first is who am I? So in who am I,
Mhm.
the new visitors has to explain their name, introduce themselves, and many things about themselves so we can know each other. So in the next agenda, the next item is ice breaking, because we have to refresh our brain before we do discussion and debating. Because after ice breaking, we have discussion and debating about something like the hot topic, for example, or yeah, the fun topic. So we can discuss with fresh brain. After that, we do debate, so it can improve our English skill and also our self confidence.
There are 6 items.
Yeah,
All
and
of them, right?
all of them. Six.
Okay, you are very excited. By the way, who is your name?
Yeah, my name is Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You guys can call me Yusril, and I'm a student in Islamic State University of Makassar.
Okay, thank you, Yusril. Next, could you introduce yourself to smart listeners?
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, my full name is Abdul Habib Tapamukas. You can call me Wahid. I come from Sungminasa and I study in Unismo Makassar, English Education Department. Thank you.
Okay, Wahid, thank you. Next.
Hello, smart listener. I am Samantha. You guys can call me Sam. I study at University State of Makassar in English department.
Okay, Samantha. Okay. Next.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
uh, my complete name is Andi Tenre Ulmi. You can call me Tenre, and I'm committee of BPEC. Thank you.
Okay, I call you Tenri.
Yes,
Yes.
Tenrai.
Okay, guys, thank you. Anyway, our topic tonight is virtual tourism. It means that the tourism that is supported by technology, and you can explore the place, another place by technology, from the, how to say, from your home, right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, this topic consists of two words. How do you think about this topic? I start from Yusril.
Yeah, interesting topic, virtual tourism. Actually, the first time I hear about virtual tourism is in my class because
Mm-hmm.
I'm from English literature, so I learn about English for tourism.
Yes.
And in that time, there is a material that we discuss about virtual tourism.
Mm-hmm.
And that time, I just realized that we can visit other place just using phone, for example, or laptop, or even virtual reality.
Mm-hmm.
So, as I know that virtual tourism is a combination between virtual and tourism.
Mhm.
So, yeah, it. I think after I read several information about virtual tourism, actually, virtual tourism is made because of the pandemic of COVID-19,
Mhm.
and because of the pandemic, it affect the tourism side, and also everyone cannot go outside to do something, and it with the virtual tourism it can help the economy side of the tourism, and also with virtual tourism, which everyone that in stress feeling, for example, they can refresh their feeling by doing or follow the virtual tourism, and
Mhm.
it very helpful for people, for society, because
Mhm.
we can visit something and know a place, even we don't go in that place. So if there is time that we can go the place, we
Mhm.
already know the place
Okay,
without
thank you.
visit first.
Okay. Okay. What about you, Wahid? How do
Uh,
you think about our topic
okay,
tonight?
the future tourism, yeah, yeah. Same with brother Yusri, interesting
Mm.
topic.
Mm.
Yeah, we can go go anywhere. Yeah, just stay in our home.
Mm-hmm.
We can go to like in Jakarta, Medan, or other place in especially Indonesia. Uh, Without we have to cost go to anywhere, just stay in the home.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think just
It's more cheaper,
yeah, cheaper,
right?
cheaper.
Than the real. Okay. What about you, Samantha?
Okay. Um, we can say that virtual tourism consists of two words, uh, virtual and tourism.
Mm-hmm.
So virtually that means we can access all over the world, whether it's for work
Mm-hmm.
or for school and for anything by just using your devices.
Mm-hmm.
So you can uh, do a lot of things without move or without get out of your room.
Mm-hmm.
So in tourism means that you can travel all over the world, wherever it is. You
Mhm.
can you can see what kind of things on their wilayah, on their place, or
Area.
in
Yeah,
their
yeah.
area.
Uh-huh.
So I think like it's like the way to travel the world without actually uh without actually get out of your room, or enjoying the thing, or enjoying the places without actually move to the place that
Mm-hmm.
you want to, I think.
Mm-hmm. It's like it's short, and there is no limit.
Yeah, there's no
Yeah,
limitation.
there is no dimension
Uh,
because this is technology,
yes.
right? Okay, what about you, Tenri? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay.
So as virtual tourism actually as another alternative,
Mm-hmm.
who love traveling,
Yeah.
so
Exactly.
it's like who love traveling
Mm.
can see the what place they want.
Mm-hmm.
Also, it's one of way for tourism industry for surviving their tourism. So it's like, of course, it's like promotion for their tourisms, because as already pandemic, so it's one of a way for surviving of their tourism. So that's all for
So
me.
this is another alternative,
another
yeah, during
alternative.
pandemic COVID-19,
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
We
yeah.
can go to anywhere.
Yes.
But
Without physical contact,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Because in outside is very dangerous, especially for the climax of the COVID-19.
Oh, yeah.
But today, yeah, a little bit
Hungry.
like, oh my God, okay, thanks God, a little bit, right? Okay. I move to the second question. My second question is, how do you think about the weakness of this system by technology? Yes, Tenri. Tenri.
Okay, then right.
Right.
So, the weakness of virtual tourism,
Mhm.
personally, because we just use we can open our application and sit on our chair,
Yes.
and of course when we open our application we need connection
Mhm.
with Wi-Fi, so it's must good connection,
Mhm.
right? And second as we can no we can have an interest with the other people there.
Yeah, you need to make it sure that your connection internet is a
Oh,
very fast,
yes,
right?
yes, yes.
And of course, you will get trouble
Yeah,
if your
travel.
connection internet is
Yeah.
very slow or buffering,
Yes,
something like
and
that.
the resolution also is not
Uh-huh.
good, right?
Yeah.
Can so the seconds I
Uh-huh.
said before, we don't have an interaction with the other people because we want to go there.
Mhm.
We will know that their culture, their tradition,
Mhm.
and also the style and of the native there.
Mhm.
So it's the weakness of that. And personally, when I open the application, is so bad for me because we just follow the camera
Yes.
and uh,
As you know,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And what what he wants that's not my wants.
Ah,
So
okay.
because I'm a human, always
I mean,
curious something
yes,
like
and you unsatisfied about it.
yes.
Okay, what about you, Samantha? How do you opine about the weakness of the system?
I think yes. The important thing that we can feel, we cannot feel from the
Mhm.
virtual tourism itself is the satisfaction.
Mhm.
So we can't really, for example, we can't really feel the fresh of air in that place.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
can't really interact or to connect with other people, with the people or the native in their
I see,
places.
I see.
and and also yes, like Kak Tande said, that there will be like boring things
Uh-huh.
because we can't move, and we can't really feel the
Uh-huh.
feeling that
And you just sit in front of the
yeah, in
camera,
front of the
laptop, like
camera.
an online,
So
like daring.
yeah, like a daring class. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I
Okay,
think.
okay. You get you get
The
not
weakness.
satisfied, right? You get
Yeah,
not
we're not
satisfied
really
also.
satisfied with that.
Okay, what about you, Wahid? What is the
Uh,
weakness
the
in your point of
weakness-
view?
the weakness of virtual tourism. Yeah, for the first, we cannot edit the real situation in this place. Yeah,
Mhm.
example, if we go to the Malino, it's different. If we go to really in Malino,
Uh-huh.
just and
You're gonna take it
what is-
the soil.
yeah.
What is it?
To feel the air.
We cannot feel the cool of in Malino, and the second we cannot feel like the feel about it. We cannot go to the
You cannot
anywhere,
catch the butterfly.
butterfly.
Yes.
For that, yeah, we have to have like good connection
Yes.
internet, yeah, because yeah, it is the just virtual tourism in virtual world. Yeah, we have to know, we have to have like the good the good connection. Yeah, if our connection is buffer, yeah, langsung it means like lag and it's disconnect about
Okay.
the about
The
its
point
words.
is there is no emotional touching there,
Yeah.
right?
Emotional
Yes.
touching.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Yusril?
Yeah, yeah. Kak Henry talk about the internet side, the connection, and Samantha talk about the, we can say, the vibes. There we can really
Can
feel the vibes, and also brother Wahid, same case. And but for me, I want to explain in the economic side, because
Yes.
as you know, with the virtual tourism, it means the customer didn't buy a ticket and a hotel and many thing about tourism, so it can increase the income, decrease the income of the tourism side. So that is the weakness for me, because if virtual tourism, they just buy like maybe 50,000, I think, and then follow the virtual tourism by Zoom, conduct the virtual tourism by Zoom, so that can decrease the income of